tired. Oh, she's heavy. I'm finally starting on this thing. Got a lot of new parts that are going in it. But the first thing I need to do, tear it apart, get her all cleaned up, throw all my parts in, and throw her on the truck. So now we got the intake manifold all off and the coil packs. Doesn't look too bad. Just needs a little cleaning. We got some new guts to put in there anyways. Give us fan, new alternator, new everything. Just to show you where we're at, I drilled a hole so I didn't leak it all over the floor. Because the drain plug's there. That would have been a pain in the butt trying to put that. So I have a slimline oil pan, so I don't really care that I just broke that. This nut back to get this thing off. It's not working. I'm just taking the whole water pump off. I'm just gonna replace the water pump anyways, so I'm not wasting my time doing that. Just like that. 6 bolts. We're gonna replace it anyways, so that saved us. I already busted my knuckles a couple times, so you live and you learn. I'm getting the rocker arms and the push rods all out of here. What are you doing? He's having fun. Would you rather do what I'm doing or what you're doing? Yeah, I know. Well, gotta get these couple bolts off. What are you walking over here for? Huh? You missed me? He misses me. I've been in my little corner over here busting this out. She cleaned up pretty nice. So both sides all nice and clean. The valley. Now I'm gonna work on the head. Get these all cleaned up. Actually have dual springs that are going in this. Containing retainers. Will help it rev a little higher, so that'll be nice. This might be one of my more simple videos because a lot of it is really just cleaning and do anything crazy with the block, but I do want to make sure all this is really clean. And I mean the heads and the blocker are in great shape. Everything turned out really nice. There's no problems with any of the pistons. Then I'm gonna take this apart. I'm gonna replace the timing chain and new pulley. Got some sanding to do on the block. We're gonna paint that. And then we have to prime it first, but it's pretty much almost ready to paint, so it'll probably be primed by the end of this video. Next video for sure it's gonna be painted. This will be on there by next video. Praying. And a lot of this just takes, you know, a lot of time, because you don't want to use anything too abrasive. I'm literally, this is it, you know. I don't want to, they are iron heads, so it's not aluminum, so I don't have to really worry too much about, you know, damaging them, but still. I'm treating her like she's my baby. Gotta be gentle. Not go crazy. It'll get clean. Just takes a little elbow grease. And to make it so this video is not as boring for everybody, I'll show you what Paul's doing. He's getting ready to, I think he's spraying the top of the G8. That's almost ready to paint the outside. It's gonna look awesome. And I think Nikki is, I think she's buffing on the Jeep, because that just got, the outside of that just got painted. So I'll show you that too. Let's see what Paul's doing. My favorite color. Why did they make it so difficult to figure out how to turn the flash on? You're supposed to be the one that's good at the electronics there. So you. What the hell? I love that. Alright, saw Paul. Now let's go see what Nikki's doing. What are you doing?
I just finished polishing.
Did you? That's okay.
Yeah, I just finished.
It's flat.
Yeah. Thank God, right?
I know. It's the ocean.
It's so beautiful.
So this is about to get kicked out the door here next week. Now I got a couple things I gotta finish up before I go home for the weekend. The firewall's getting painted. The inside of the cab's getting painted. This engine's gonna get painted. The heads are getting painted. And my tool didn't work. I need to get a nail. That one's no good. So leave it under there. And then just a little bit of icing. That's gonna get primed, and it'll take a day to prime all that, sand it real quick, paint it, get the motor set in there, do all the wiring. Once we do that, then I can start putting it back together, and then we can actually paint it. I wanted to wait to paint it until we had the engine in there, so I didn't have to worry about lifting it and scratching anything. So we're almost there. So next week will be a little bit more exciting and pretty things to look at. Building a car takes time, but we're almost there. We're almost there. I appreciate you guys following along, following the build. I love everybody who supported me. I appreciate it more than you know. And it's gonna be done very soon. I'm excited. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for your support. See you on the next video.